This stunning 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath open concept home has so much to offer. Step into the entryway where you're greeted by the elegant custom rounded staircase with a curved wall and wrought iron banisters. This overlooks the 2-story great room that features beautiful floor-to-ceiling windows framing the fireplace. The kitchen is illuminated by white cabinets that contrast with the black granite countertops. The breakfast bar and dining nook offer seating options, while the stylish formal dining room is ready for you to host dinner. Each bedroom is spacious, and the master suite offers a large walk-in closet and an ensuite bath with jetted tub, walk-in shower, and double sink vanity. In the daylight basement, you'll find an entertainment paradise. A wet bar, rec room, family room, and full bath leave you so much room for fun with friends and family. Heading outside, the screened-in patio will be the perfect place to enjoy a nice summer evening. You'll have to see this amazing home for yourself. Call Debbie Lusick for more information.